Hey, I'm Melissa, and I'm making this quick rambling video to show you around your new course here. First of all, notice the first thing you see underneath your course here is announcements. There's a new post. I'm going to hit that, and you can see that I'm making the red show up. I'm going to go ahead and erase this in a second here, but I wanted you to see what it looks like when there's an announcement that I expect you to read. Notice when I go back to the main page, there's no red here. At the same time, see there's a couple things in here that I haven't read as a student. After that, notice there's a calendar here. You can see all the things that are coming up this week. A couple things I want to note is you've only got the upcoming week and maybe some extra stuff I've written up over here. If you look at the instructor page, which is my page, you can see a whole bunch of other stuff that's going to be due soon. Just because you don't see it doesn't mean it's not due. For example, notice right away on Sunday of this upcoming week, on the 10th, there's a quiz due. But if you look at your student site, it doesn't show there. And that's because it's not available yet. It won't show up until the 8th. So just something to realize. All right, so let's just look through here a couple things. Introductory information and additional resources. The textbooks is there. The syllabus is there. You can open that up and see this beautiful syllabus. If you ever have any questions about how the course is working, and of course you can always ask me. If you look on the forums links, there is questions about the course. Back to the introductory information additional resources page, you've got a calculator help website. There's actually lots of videos explaining how to use your calculator there and a couple other things. Back to the main page. This is important before starting week 1 material. Do these first. There's some questions I want you to answer. Introduce yourself, intro to WAMAP, etc. There's things in here I want you to do before you really even start doing the homework. And then if I close this by hitting this arrow here. If I open up week 1, you can see there's a whole bunch of stuff in here to do. One thing I want to make sure you understand is that there's video assignments that you have to do for most every section. For example, preview of calculus video assignment. This is part of your grade. I do expect you to watch the videos. This is taking a little bit of a while to load up. There's the videos, and there's 2 videos to watch and a few questions to answer after each video. So that is my way of making sure you watch the videos since we don't have official lecture. And then there's homework that you have to do. Okay, it looks like I actually already got the first one correct, so let's attacking the second one. Go ahead and make an answer. Oh, I got that wrong. I can either try another similar question right away or just attempt this again. Maybe it's 10. Let's see if that's right. Oh, I got that wrong. 11 or 12, let's say. Submit. Oh, I got that wrong. And it'll actually, after 3 attempts, give me the answer. And then you can try a similar question and start you all over. So you can get 100% on all the homeworks for doing this process. So that's how the homeworks work. Oh, and one other thing I forgot to say, go back to the homework. Let's say that there was one that we really had a question on. If you really can't figure this out, you can hit post this question to the forum, and it'll go ahead and have the question there. It'll label it correctly, and you can type in everything that you need to get help for this. So that should get you started. Of course, in the forums, there's a question, or there's a forum called Questions About This Course. If you have any questions, additionally, you can hit that and type your question, and I will answer it.